Hi everyone, this is Jared Education na kung saan nandito si Jared para magbigay ng edukasyon. Hi everyone, it's me again for our ninth day. I'm here to give you some information. Hi, I'm Jared Education to give you some education. Now we're gonna talk about FOIL method. FOIL method is a method that we use to multiply two functions to each other. Now, FOIL method, hindi ito yung drugs, eme kayo. Ang FOIL method is, kaya siya FOIL is first, outer, inner, and last lang. First, outer, inner, and last. Now, let's do the FOIL method in this 2, which is x plus 2 times 3x minus 5. Now, to begin with, let's start our first, kaya siya, ang first, yung pinaka-first na, sa function, which is x tsaka 3x. I-multiply natin siya. So, x times 3x is equals to 3x squared. And then, next is yung outer, which is yung pinaka-out, or yung pinaka-gilid ng dalawang function, which is yung x tsaka 5. So, x times negative 5, which bring us to negative 5x. And then, next is inner naman, which is yung nasa pinakaloob dun sa multiplication ng dalawang function, which is 2 times 3x. So, pagta-times mo lang silang dalawa, 2 times 3x is equals to positive 6x. Sorry. And then, the last term of the function, which is yung 2 tsaka 5. So, 2 times 5 is equals to, negative to 2 times negative 5 is equals to negative 10. Now, we're gonna do, since tapos na tayo dun sa FOIL method, we're gonna do the combining like terms, which is hahanapin mo yung magkapareho, then ipagko-combine mo siya. That's why combining like terms. Ang pwede mo lang i-combine dito, since dalawa lang naman ang may magkapareho dito, which is negative 5x plus 6x. So, negative 5x plus 6x is equals to 1x or x, kasi hindi mo na kailangan isulat yung x. Ay, yung 1. Sorry. And then, kakopyahin mo lang yung 3x squared plus x is equals to minus 10 is equals to 10. And yun lang yun. Para makuha mo yung sagot, which is, so, ibig sabihin nito, x plus 2 times 3x minus 5 equals to 3x squared plus x minus 10. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, hit that notification bell to stay notified and learn more. And then subscribe. Thank you. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you learned something, hit that notification bell to learn more and then subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Yeah. Please subscribe.